In this tutorial, we learn how to install Matplotlib, which is a comprehensive library for creating static, animated, and interactive visuals in Python. But before installing Matplotlib, make sure that you have downloaded and installed Python. So I've created a video of it and the link is in the description below. So we'll first verify if I have Matplotlib module in the system. So I'll type IDLE. So with IDLE, you can run your Python programs here. So I'll type a simple prompt. So import Matplotlib and press enter. And you can see that I've gotten an error message, meaning that the module is not installed. So I'll close it. So come back to the search bar and type cmd, command prompt, and hit enter. So you can first verify the Python version that I have. So Python space -- version and press enter. And you can see that I have the latest version, Python 3.13.3. So let's begin installing the Matplotlib module. So type pip install Matplotlib. So pip come bundled with Python, and it's a standard package manager, and it can be used to download, update, as well as manage the third-party libraries. And press enter. So give it time for the Matplotlib module to get installed. And you can see that you have gotten a message. We have successfully installed Matplotlib. So let's head back to the IDLE. Press enter and type the simple prompt import Matplotlib and press enter. And you can see that we no longer get the error message, meaning that the module has been installed. And that's how to install Matplotlib. Thanks for watching. I'm Edwin from Pro Education.